Hi, my name is Brent Jesiek. I'm an assistant professor with joint appointment in the School of Engineering Education and the School of Electrical and Computer Engineering. My research interests span a number of areas, but most of it is relevant to social and historical studies of engineering education and the engineering profession. My dissertation research was actually focused on the history of computer engineering as a field, looking at its historical development from the 1940s or 1950s in the United States, going all the way up to roughly the present. I also do research on the historical development of engineering education as a research field, and I also do quite a bit of work around global engineering education, including its historical development and contemporary considerations of what does it mean to train global engineers or practice engineering in global professional contexts. So some of the major projects I'm involved in right now include IRE. IRE is International Research and Education in Engineering, and the IRE program is an NSF-funded program, but administered by Purdue University, and I'm one of the principal investigators on that project. At the heart of the program really is sending American students. This year we sent 58 American students to China for a 10-week summer research experience. In addition to that, we provided them with orientation and training, including development of a series of learning modules on Engineering Cultures China, which look at the historical development and contemporary state of engineering education and the engineering profession in China. Another project that I'm involved in is called ENE, which is Interactive Knowledge Networks for Engineering Education Research. And this is in part a project to develop a large bibliographic database and knowledge management and knowledge exploration tools for the field of engineering education research. My team's role in that project includes considerations such as user needs analysis, marketing and promotion, and collecting, curating, and developing strategies for classifying large numbers of bibliographic records and knowledge products in the field. In terms of why a student might choose Purdue for their PhD, I think a number of reasons stand out. It is a relatively large and vibrant program and community. Our faculty and students have a very broad range of intellectual interests and research interests. There's great opportunities here for engaging with the next generation of engineers, including in our first-year engineering program. And I also think, for me personally, the international dimension is a really important part of Purdue's ENE program. We have faculty and students from all over the world, and we have opportunities to make an impact that's not felt just locally or nationally, but across the world. So certainly being able to both leverage and build Purdue's international reputation is very important for me, and I think it's a real value for our PhD students. Thanks.